Hi and welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Now I will show you how to clean the USB charging port on your HTC Desire 6 to 8 device using home remedies. But first, remember one rule. Never clean the port with metal objects. The best tool to clean the port at home is a toothbrush. In my case, I will use the most common toothbrush, and I advise you to use a toothbrush that you no longer use, so as not to violate the rules of personal hygiene. As we can see, in my charging port, there is a piece of paper. Okay, now we will use a toothbrush to get it out. Just take the toothbrush and put one end of the toothbrush into the port and try to gently pry out the piece of paper, and we will did it. Okay, just take brush and try to pry out this piece of paper. Fine, and that's all. We did it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Like and subscribe our channel, and see you soon again. Goodbye.